Morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. I'm using the new version of YouTube streaming settings, so it's just taking me a second to get used to it. Lucian was kind of filling me in about it, so hopefully you guys can see my screen, can hear me okay, and all of that stuff. So, what do we got on the menu today? There are some pretty good setups out there. Morning, guys. Netflix on the
Good morning.
hourly, pretty big bullpen version. It looks like it's got room to potentially 310 today, maybe even higher, maybe 315. Settings certainly has the bullish pattern, momentum. I like this little cup and handle that we got going on, so I'm going to be watching that into about it. So hopefully the you guys
bell
can see
this
my
morning.
screen, can hear me okay.
And also keeping an eye on
ROKU. So, what do we got on the menu today?
ROKU.
I actually sold a bear call spread on this
yesterday
Netflix
during the breakdown.
I also bought a little put play on just intraday. I took it profit at VWAP, but then it continued to flush. We had this nice little head and shoulders on the 5-minute. I like this little and now we're kind of oscillating around the daily trend line. It looks like we have potential to test that 90 MA daily, so I have that.
Also keeping an eye
set up. Oh, YouTube is playing in the background. All right. Do that. That should probably kill the sound. Thanks for that, Sam.
Spread on this yesterday.
So breakdown. We got a good setup. We got the 5-minute daily chart on Trend Spider. Profit at VWAP. You guys have not tried Trend Spider yet. 5-minute. You guys are now missing out. Kind of oscillating around the daily trend line. Looks like we have potential to test that 90 daily. Pretty much my go-to setup for that. So I'm just going to share that. So again, I've got an alert set for the 90 MA daily, potential flush. So ROKU's still very hot. I mean, it's the first. We got a good setup. We got the 5-minute daily after 7 chart on Trend Spider. You guys have not tried volatility Trend Spider. This is what we're looking for today. Potential head and shoulders, immediately down to the 90 MA daily. That would be a really nice play. We have potential. I covered Netflix. I'll cover it again because of the for that audio. I'm not sure where I'm getting audio, so hopefully. So again, I've got an alert set for the 90 MA daily, potential flush. So ROKU's still very hot. I mean, it's the first. We got a good setup. We got the 5-minute daily after 7 chart on Trend Spider. You guys have not volatility. My bad, guys. It's my first time using the new 90 MA daily. That would be like back office. I covered Netflix. I'll cover it again because next time I'll for that audio. I'll be more prepared. I kind of stumbled through it this morning. So again, I got an alert. So Netflix, I like it. Tesla, I'm also watching Tesla for a potential breakout above 352.75. If we do get that breakout, I'm looking for a play to 355. You got a big daily trend line. That's going to be issued. See where we kind of failed it up here. Yeah, I'm not sure. I closed everything else down. I'll be more prepared to kind of stumble through this morning. So anything up. So Netflix, I like it. Tesla, I'm also watching Tesla for just let me know. I know there's above 352.75. If we do get that, let me try redoing 355. You got big daily. Yeah, I closed the issue. See where we kind of failed back here. Desktop audio. Alright, I'm going to mess around with the settings, guys. I'm sorry, I'll kill the stream and then come back. I'll be more prepared to kind of stumble through this morning. So anything up. Alright, guys, this should be much better now. I'll wait for you guys to confirm. You're still getting desktop audio? Alright, I just clicked the button, so hopefully that worked. You guys are going to kill me. It should be better now. I saw the no LOL and I clicked and button on OBS, so maybe that did the trick. All right, cool. All right, live and learn. Learn something new today. This whole new layout screwed me up. So I'll stay with you guys for a couple extra minutes because of all the technical difficulties. Normally, I know Lucian and Signet sometimes like to stream. I tend to like to focus on the trade room, but we love YouTube, so we like to take care of the YouTube crew too. Again, I'm showing you guys the trend spider charts. They're very, very simple and fast. I've got pretty much calls and puts loaded across the board for Home Depot, Netflix, Roku, SPY, Target, TLT, Tesla, and Apple. So I'm going to be watching a couple different things. Really the best setup that I see, just because it's really just kind of broke free from its uptrend, is Roku. And I'll cover this again with clean audio this time. You could see I actually sold a bear call spread yesterday on Roku when I saw the weakness. I day traded a put live in our trade room to VWAP, and then it continued to flush below VWAP, 200 SMA pullback, and now you've got some serious volatility now where we're below this red daily trend line, and I'm going to look for both a long and a short entry today. I really don't care which way it decides to go. It can go up or down. I'm going to play it either direction. So I load both the calls and the puts, and I'll day trade them accordingly. And I'll use a combination of Trend Spider and Thinkorswim, monitoring the news to get it done. I also use a call and put chart. So for example, if you've never looked at a call and put chart and you're trading options, it's really important. So you can see right here, for example, I got 165 calls, I've got 150 puts, 160 puts, and these are just a couple of the options I'm going to be watching today. On Roku, we're pretty close to the bell. We got about 20 seconds before the bell. I know there's a delay with, YouTube. So I'm going to go back into our day trading room. And cool. So Angel is actually live streaming for us right now. Oh, CLVS, guys, too. CLVS. So this is a really good potential runner today. 825 pre-market. Lots of volume here at the bell. So this is a potential runner. Let's kind of watch this. So I'm going to watch CLVS over here on this chart. And let's see what we got. I'm going to watch Roku on my other chart, as I like to multitask like that. Oops, I didn't mean to switch that. Oh, look at Roku drop, drop, drop. Now this is such a quick drop that it's really hard to chase this on a short if you're not already short. So we are not going to chase that at all. Let me go back to CLVS. Now CLVS getting some nice volume. All right, Roku. All right, that's unlinked. Let's see those Roku puts, baby. We're gonna play this game today. All right. Don't mind me, I'm just going to drag this out of the way. All right, CLVS, lots of volume. This is probably going to be a quick 3 candlestick play, and then we'll look for maybe a flag or pennant. But these are all just kind of hotkeys. People jumping in on the trade, FOMO buyers after the run-up. There is obviously an angular breakout here through the consolidation. You know, and if you look at the daily chart, it really speaks volumes where you have room to run. Even though it's pretty hot, you've got your 200 SMA on the daily, way up here, right? That's at 1368. So these penny stocks love to run to their daily moving averages. We're above the 100 SMA right now, and it's just a very, very hot momentum stock. So I'm going to watch potentially playing this in my other account. And let's pull that up and get ready. So we got 20 seconds left on this candlestick on CLVS. Ooh, look at this, man. All right, so now we got the potential for pullback. Let me pull up the level 2 real quick. Man, they're getting some upgrades. There are some serious FOMO buying. Now, if you're quick, you can scalp these. This might not pull back as soon as we thought. So let's switch to the 5-minute chart. Man, the volume is very, very big today. So this 5-minute candle looks like it's going to close above the 50 SMA in the 5-minute. That is pretty bullish. So I'm looking to scale into a long position. Again, not going to chase it. Don't want to get too crazy with it. I'm watching ROKU right now on a 1-minute chart. Try to put in a little bit of a base around 151. There is a potential long play there on ROKU if it puts in a base. I see CLVS pulling back from 775. It's still hot, right? That moved up really close to that 793. So we're finally getting a little pullback for an entry, and that's fine. Let this thing flag. Build a bull flag, please. Let's see, I got 2 YouTube. I still have a second YouTube screen, so I'm going to close that. I'll stick with you guys for another minute or two. Very, very, very interested in placing a trade on ROKU here. We might get a V bottom continuation. Yeah. All right. Yep. I see it. Huh? Oh, whoops. I see what I did. All right. We got some fast action on ROKU. And pullback on CLVS. Nice healthy pullback. Let's see if the buyers come back in at VWAP in the 9. ROKU, after the very extreme selling, looks like at least look for a dead cat little spike. So I took a small trade on ROKU. I just want to show you guys when I'm watching with the trend spider chart. You've got this really big move down right from yesterday's high. 150, very key area. So you're seeing some bulls buying here. I got a little MACD crossover. So this could easily V-bottom continuation and get a spike going on. Guitar, I'll help you out. So when you log into bullishbears.com, and let me show you in a new window. So you just go to our site. You're going to click on login. You're going to enter your details in here. Once you enter, you got to use your email to log in, not your username. Make sure it's your email address, your password. And then once you get in, you're going to go to day trade, swing trade rooms, and there's going to be a big button that says enter here. You're going to click that. It's going to take you into the room. And Angel and everybody is in there right now, including me. I'm not really talking in there. I actually should type in there for a minute. Took along on Roku off the V bottom. All right, let's keep an eye on CLVS. Watching CLVS for potential continuation. So hopefully that helps. You can always shoot us an email to at bbteam@bullishbears.com. And either myself or somebody else will answer. It's usually me, sometimes Angel. So right now we got futures trading going on. We got the day trading options, stock. We kind of do it all in our trade room. And it's a lot of fun. So CLVS, I'm looking for a little cup and handle. The volume is still super hot. And we've got a nice little bull flag, bull pennant kind of happening right here. So with this kind of volume, this kind of trend, let's see if they pop this back up. We could get, I mean, it's only up, 8% for the day, which is nothing on this particular stock. When it wants to run right now, it is really something. And with the relative volume, it's just surging on volume. So really good stuff. Roku, so far so good. So I was able to kind of scalp a little long entry. Again, guys, we're just here to educate you. We don't want you copying any of our trades. Mirror trading is super dangerous, especially for beginners. You get excited at the thought of making money, and then you try to copy somebody's trade, and then it ends up going wrong. Oh, I'm not sharing my screen right now, Guitar. I took it down for the YouTube stream. I'm actually going to end the stream now, guys, and go back into the trade room. So right now, Roku long, V-bottom continuation pattern. Very, very careful with our moving averages because this thing could still drop like a rock today. This 5-minute chart is still very, very sketchy to me. But so far, so good. Off the 2 5-minute candles that we've printed. Should have a third 5-minute candle printing now, pushing up to the 200 SMA. Yep, I'm doing intraday options. If you want to be a member and join and get some of the other benefits of being a member, we're happy to have you. We've got multiple streamers that day trade options and stocks and teach you how to do it. So, all right, guys, I'm going to end the YouTube stream. I'm going to share the rest of my charts and screens in the trade room in a couple of minutes, and I will see you guys later on YouTube the next time I stream. Adios.